Let's take a look at the market recap. Starting with ES. I am Chart Gal Lori. I'm part of the Chart Guys community and we teach technical analysis. Now I'm doing this recap for Thursday, September 5th. And just to show you who I am, I'm Chart Gal Lori. If you want to give me a follow on X, that'd be lovely, at Chart Gal Lori. And what happened today? So we had our bigs that were green, the high beta names, and then we had a lot of red otherwise. So we had our big names propping up the market while everything else was consolidating in a pretty healthy way. Tomorrow, we have non-farm payrolls at 8:30 to be aware of. All right, let's get back to the charts. Looking at the chart, so on ES, we lost the daily 50 MA even more convincingly today. And on the weekly, we're still looking for a higher low. So looking for a higher low on the weekly. 4 hour, we had this bear flag. You can actually see it better on the 12 hour. 12 hour bear flag, break bear. And on the 4 hour, we're looking for lower highs on just about every time frame. On the daily, on a push up, we're looking for a lower high. And same thing on NASDAQ. NASDAQ closed green. Tech held up well. Again, our high beta names held up well after all of these daily 50 MA rejections. On a push up, we're looking for a daily lower high. Rejecting at the 4 hour 12 EMA, RTY. Rejecting at the 4 hour 12 EMA. We had a red day out there. Lost the daily 50 MA. And then on the Dow, we're pulling back pretty big. We lost our daily support on the next push up. We're looking for a daily lower high. So VIX, however, melted down today. VIX has been holding up well all week. We lost this 1934 support. And now we have an hourly EQ. 1921, 1938 support. Bitcoin has been weak, down 3%. Potential 4 hour bear flag on any push up. We're looking for a 4 hour lower high. Ethereum on any push up. We're looking for a 4 hour lower high. Super weak. On the dollar has made enough room for a daily higher low. We'll see how far the bulls can get, because gold has been bouncing nicely, but are we going to get a daily lower high compared to the dollar getting the daily higher low? That is the question. Oil has been weak. We had inventory this week already. On any push up, you're looking for a daily lower high. Semis. So on semis, we're looking for a daily lower high on a push up. We have right now a daily potential bear flag. This will be probably the most important chart of all of our analysis, is looking at semis. We are holding the daily 200 MA. We do have a daily inside bar. Even though QQQ was green today, semis were red. NVDA can't get over the hourly EMAs. And on the daily, we're looking for a daily lower high on a push up. So on NVDA, I would switch to reverse back burner mode. If you're looking for trade setups, I'd be looking for 15-minute overbought conditions for top fish setups. SMCI was pretty weak. Doesn't always directly relate to semis. It can sometimes relate a little more to the Russell. On a push up, you're looking for a daily lower high. This thing is weak and the bear volume just continues. I would keep this one on reverse back burner watch indefinitely until the bulls prove otherwise. Apple, one of our few names that closed green with an hourly EQ. Right at the hourly 50 MA, but a nice equilibrium forming. I mean, we're struggling here at the daily moving averages. Big struggle. Tesla, we were able to get a daily trend change today. We got a daily higher high. Got the weekly trend change. Ran into the weekly 200 MA and rejected initially. Tesla really stood out. They had some news this morning, yesterday about the, what was it, the Model Y third row in Asia, and they just continue to shine. These bulls have been on fire. I'd be looking for Tesla for longs. XLF and XLV finally having some consolidation. We had this potential daily bull flag. We had the daily inside bar break bear today in a big way. We hit the 12 EMA. I mean, look at that. So now XLF and XLV, they are now our bear targets. So SMH, QQQ need to step up in place of XLF and XLV. A higher low on the hourly is still possible compared to 44.75. On the daily, we could go down to 43.57 and still be a daily higher low. So XLF bulls are still okay. It's not what they wanted. Yesterday, we had that big upper wick of profit taking. And consolidation began in a big way on healthcare today, down 1.37%. On any push up, bears will be looking for that 4-hour lower high. This is a classic 4-hour bear flag right here on healthcare. We got new all-time highs on XLF and XLV. And then now they are consolidating. So the question is, what will QQQ do in place of them? Will they be able to step up to the plate? And right now, on any push up, QQQ, we're looking for daily lower highs. So we'll see how this works out. Use stop losses.